In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in the Kindle app. Highlighting in Kindle is a simple way to save important quotes, mark key ideas, and make your reading more active and organized. Let's walk through it together so you feel confident doing it every time. Start by opening the Kindle app on your device. When the app opens, you'll usually land on your collection of books. If you're not already viewing your titles, tap Library to bring up your bookshelf. This is where you can browse your downloaded books and choose what you want to read. Next, open the book you want to annotate. Give it a moment to load, then navigate to the page with the passage you want to highlight. You can scroll or use the table of contents if you already know the section you need. Once you're on the right page, press and hold directly on the word or sentence you want to mark. Keep your finger down for a second until you see the text become selected. You'll notice blue handles appear at the beginning and end of the selection. These are your controls for adjusting exactly what gets highlighted. Drag the blue handles to fine-tune your selection. Slide them left or right to include more or less text, whether that's a single word, a full sentence, or a longer paragraph. Take your time here to get it just right. Precise placement makes your highlights more useful later. When the selection looks perfect, release your finger. As soon as you let go, a small menu will appear above or below the selected text. From that menu, tap Highlight. This tells the app to save your selection as a highlight so it stands out when you return to the page. Finally, choose your preferred color. Kindle typically offers several options like yellow, blue, pink, or orange. Pick a color that makes sense for you. Some readers like to use different colors for different purposes, such as key ideas, definitions, or quotes. Whatever you choose, the highlight will be applied immediately. That's all there is to it. Your highlight is now part of the book and will stay in place the next time you open it. If you ever need to adjust the highlight later, you can press on it again to bring up the same menu and make changes. With these steps, you'll be able to capture what matters most and keep your reading organized and easy to review.